on the word hard.
I will ignore the emphasis, but Marcus, can you explain hardball, please?
Let me tell you something. I am not comfortable with you working in my organization and you're sleeping with the enemy.
Marcus, or should I say Minister Wallace, I'm sure you're familiar with contract. I haven't breached mine. Do you wish to breach yours?
You're playing with fire now. So what you're really saying to me now is that you're staying until 2024.
Which is right.
Miss Simpson, because you're sleeping with a gangster, you believe that you yourself is a gangster too. You don't understand what they get in themselves in. Let me explain something to you.
Oh, Mr. Minister, let me explain something to you. She not resign because she have a contract and she not breach it. So do we a favor respectfully. Go talk to you.
You know who you're talking to, boy? Hey, King, don't let me talk some guy fool you know. You put two in your brain, boy, I'm good for you. You know you...
I wonder which Duppy box that boy.
Okay. George, have a seat. Please.
Boy, you're going too much. You know, see that?
George, let me use this analogy. It is only when a mosquito lands on your testicle that you will realize you can't solve every problem with violence.
You're right, you know, babes. That brother, yeah, man. That brother, you forget a judgment, man.
George, I'm sure you'll appreciate that we handle things differently.
That may be true, but we all can be saints.
And we all can't be sinners. I know Marcus Wallace. I will deal with him. He takes the emotional road. I take the high road.
And I want to put him under the road.
Speaking of which, there is a burning issue that I need to speak to you about.
Really?
I notice you have been taking your calls and you're very secretive about it. I know it's not another woman. I would know.
Interesting.
But George, I'm hoping that you're not going back to your dark past.
Yeah, that is easy. But babes, let me explain to you what has been happening. There's a young lady that is very close to my heart. She's not my child, but she's like my own child. I really, really have a connection with this little princess. And I have seen her gone through a lot and come through a lot. And of recent, she has been having some additional struggles and challenges. So I could just say I've been helping to see how best we can help her find some solutions. You understand?
Babe.
Yes, sweetie.
Remember, you're a legitimate businessman now. And also a family man.
You know, it's funny you say that because that reminds me that Grace is giving me hell, so she wants her little brother. How about us getting some practice? Hello. Look, Spain.
May I hear you?